everybody, in this video I want to share with you recipe for oily skin, homemade face mask from green peas and yogurt for oily skin. I was saying in one of my other videos about the green peas benefits that it's very good to use for aging skin because it helps to slow down the skin aging and helps to smooth the small wrinkles. It also, I was saying, that helps to oily skin because it helps, green peas by itself, they help to dry up the skin, and while drying up the skin it helps you to oily skin to get rid of extra oily shine and makes skin looking nice, tones the skin and gives beautiful color, and gives moisturizes, nourishes the skin and gives the skin matte and beautiful tone. So all that we're gonna do here, I've already boiled the green peas. If you have a grinder, you can grind it and use a powder instead of the boiling, but it's just big job, so I decided to boil it. And all that we're gonna do, just use 1 tablespoon of it. So you can also, here I made it, so just to save the video time. And all that we're gonna take 1 tablespoon of green peas, and we're gonna put it in a cup. And we're gonna take yogurt, tablespoon of yogurt, just like this, without top. Just a tablespoon of yogurt, and mix it. And this mask you can use for oily skin. You can do it a couple of times a week if you have time. And this mask you can keep it on your face, and it's not sweet, so while you're doing something in the house, cooking, cleaning, you still can put this mask, but it will not have the good effect. It's better if you do it when you take a shower in the bathtub, because you already psychologically you have mood to relax. So it's the best time when you can take care of your skin, when your body is relaxing and your muscles are relaxed and you're not doing anything, you're laying down. It's the same thing what they do in a spa, right? So the same thing you can do in your house. Just apply mask on your face, keep it 5, 10, 15 minutes, and that's it. Just wash it then after you're leaving the bathtub. Just wash your face, and that's it. It's very easy, risk-free, everything is natural, and the yogurt is not expensive. I'm sure you always buy it. And the green peas is very cheap product. You can buy 1 pound for $1, sometimes it's even 80 cents. So it's affordable. I was doing other recipes with mango, which is more expensive, and avocado. Sometimes it's more than $1 one avocado. But for our face we don't eat a lot. So if you don't want to do other fruits, you can make green peas, which is very cheap and will be enough for you. If you boil just this, it's gonna be enough for you for a long time. Just keep it in the fridge, cover it with a plastic bag so it does not communicate with oxygen. So thank you for watching this video, and watch my other videos. Thank you.